Crypto Chemist here, back again with another video for you guys. Chemist, aka Josh Wakefield, bringing you guys back to DeFi, to a $40 trillion regulated market, the tokenizing of regulated off-chain reserves to create DeFi utility and liquidity with their green euro stablecoins. As you guys know, USDT has stablecoins, so why not come out with the euro stablecoin? We've seen so many stablecoins for different currencies in the game, and this is the next one that's going to be taking over the euro game, leveraging sustainable investments for yield through a regulatory friendly on-ramp from the securities market. Watch their overview video and understand what their vision is. All the links will be in the description for that. But basically what these guys are going to be doing and what they're looking to bring into the market and our society is a decentralized real-world reserve on the blockchain, guys. Protocol launch reserves are held in the Norwegian senior secured green bonds from the built world specialist Myris Ass, and tokenizing the regulated security system from the collateral asset upwards means that you have to trust the blockchain, and there's so many different things that we can get a deep dive into with this platform. You can earn returns in your wallet, which the EURxb token grows at 7% PA in your Ethereum wallet, which is insane, without even locking the tokens and contracts, and using the EURxb to mint their new euro, the XB euro, and access the full interest term upfront. Interest flows from protocol bond reserves that is 100% past the holders, and you can see their chain of custody process. Now you can get the EURxb right now, guys, on Uniswap, NC, and 1inch. All the links are available in the description for you guys, and as you click on this, it'll take you right to Uniswap, where you're gonna be able to swap for this amazing token. Really cool. And you can see EURxb added, imported, and once you're imported, you can start using it. Super cool to see that included right there. And the EURxb tokenization process is that the EURxb security asset, the ER721 NFT, represents a call against the collateral backing the protocol's bonds reserve, and is locked into EURxb's bond smart contract that mints a linked EURxb bond ERC721 NFT, and this token represents a bond subscription to the ISIN registered security and is in turn locked into the EURxb euro smart contract to generate the EURxb stablecoin, in which appreciates at the bond interest of 7% per year. And you can see, guys, the launch distribution for the EURxb of XBE tokens is here, and here is the graphic showcasing, guys, the tokenizes value, the locks claim to asset, the bond issuer, the bond investor, which is the invest in the value and adds terms to claim, and then the repackage value, which removes direct claim under the fractional value trader, and the combined value aggregating the yield is the 12% yield, 10% bond yield, and 5% DeFi yield with the yield returns earner. So super cool to see all of this included. Now they've got amazing partnerships with EURxb, issues of regulated securities that partnered with EURxb Finance can offer their buyers a strong secondary market and access to a wide range of cryptos and decentralized finance instruments. Guys, take that in to actually benefit from the unrestricted utility of EURxb stablecoin. These partnerships drive demand side buying pressure when DeFi users wish to liquidate EURxb, ensuring that the price stability is there, and you can read more on that, obviously. And then an institutional DeFi yield program, where the first EURxb institutional vault is a unique product spearheaded by the EURxb team, and which allows for a transparent and regulated access of institutional funds to the world of decentralized finance, with an exception of 5% APY, in addition to the passive 7% per annum yield for each EURxb token, and any surplus about 5% APY is distributed to the holders of the protocol's governance token XBE. Now here is the amazing site that you guys are looking at with the ecosystem, all the way from the bond creation to the bond purchase, and all the steps from 1, 2, 3, and 4, where you're going to see the whole situation unfold. Redeeming a tokenized bond at maturity, which actually the bond NFT owners are able to redeem mature tokens for 100% face value through the traditional channels or secondary markets, or elect to convert their bond for 115% face value of equity in a range of ventures with EURxb's launch partner. The discretionary exchange of EURxb for bond reserves. Guys, the DeFi holders of more than 1 million EURxb have the option of processing a regulatory complaint bold holder registration process, and on successful completion can, with the issuer's assistant, exchange each of the 1M EURxb for the equivalent value of the EURxb reserves held as bond NFTs on the protocol. Participating in the protocol, guys, holders of the XBE token govern all aspects of the protocol and will receive their share of vault fees, including the surplus yield produced from the DeFi strategies funded by EURxb Institutional Vault. And you can get started right away, and the community members can also help participate by providing EURxb and USD liquidity to the Uniswap pair. Now you got equitable and fair launch, where there's a fairly launched platform, community owned and managed from launch, and transparent and straightforward, so no founder or investor allocations, governance 100% distributed to the community, all of that stuff is there, and you can review the audits for that as well. The audit is already done, so you guys can check out the full report actually made on this platform, which they passed with flying colors. And they've got all their social media tabs at the bottom, where they got Twitter, they've got Telegram, they've got Discord, they've got YouTube, they've got all the goodies for you guys to be able to check them out. And they've got tons of engagement on their different social media outlets. As you guys can see, they released their first protocol improvement proposal detailing a new revenue stream, rewards, and liquidity plans. There's so many different things coming out, new partnerships, and EURxb is going to be the next stablecoin of the future. Here's more information on these guys on Telegram. 1,800 plus members and 137 online, because you know the platform is going to be huge. There's going to be people looking into it, and there's going to be people asking questions. They've got partnerships, FAQs, GitHub, and their team all the way at the top. Again, fully transparent and global team. As you guys can see, you can connect with them on LinkedIn, and they've been built for big finance, traders, investors, central banks, and retail payments. But nothing beats building for DeFi, and they think that this is their best build yet, and they're itching to build even more. Global platform. DeFi isn't regional, so they have to keep track of a global industry, and there's no better way of having people from around the world in the team to get local insights. And it is a remote platform, so you can get your work done wherever you are, less likely to get COVID, and plus the office budget is better spent on faster internet access and paying the deployment gas fees. Get in touch with them, man. These guys are the platform of all platforms. They're totally killing the game, and I can't wait to bring more for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Chemist out for now. Josh Wakefield out for now. Peace.